These Snyper triple tube rock rails fitting the 4-door 2007 and up JK are for those of you that are looking for some pretty serious rocker protection and also want something that's going to work really well as a step. These are going to bolt directly onto your Jeep without the need to drill or cut anything, making it a very simple 1 out of 3 wrench installation that you'll probably be able to get done in right around an hour or so. Now, what makes these unique from some of the other rock rails that are on the market? Now, there are a lot that are this triple tube design. You're gonna have 1, 2, and then a third lower tube. These ones are a little bit different because instead of coming straight out from their mounting points, they are angled up a little bit, which is going to tuck them in and up a little bit closer to the body of the Jeep, just giving a little bit of a nicer line, a little bit of a nicer look. The bars that actually connect the step itself and the rock rail itself to the mounts are also gusseted, just giving you a little bit of additional strength there. But visually, one of the biggest things that changes these from some of the others available is this plate on the top here that does have a very grippy textured surface, and this plate down here with the Snyper logo etched into it, which gives this a much more cohesive look. So even though this is still a triple tube rock rail, because it has this top plate and this front plate, it almost gives the illusion of just being a complete one-piece rock slider, even though it's not. And what that allows is for the price to stay a little bit lower. This is going to be a very well-built piece that looks really great, also adds a lot of function that's very, very appropriately priced. So I touched on a couple points of the construction of these rock rails already. Again, it's going to be that triple tube design, has the flat plate here and also the plate on the front to give it a little bit more finished look. It has gussets here where it actually mounts to the Jeep, giving you a little bit of additional strength. Now, where this actually mounts onto the Jeep is onto the body bushing bolts, not the body bolts themselves. So these are the 2 smaller bolts that hold the body bushings in place, so you're not going to have quite as much strength as an option that mounts directly onto those much larger body bolts, and less protection than those options that mount to the body bolts and also to the pinch seam. Those are going to be some of the strongest options out there. However, this is still going to give you some really good protection and also a very useful step. Oftentimes when you're talking about protection and the usability of your step, as one goes up, the other one goes down. So this is going to be good protection, not the strongest possible rocker protection, but a very good, very useful step. Like I said before, the stepping surface here has a very high traction finish on it. This is some of the grippiest stuff that I've seen. It's almost akin to like a no-slip bed liner that's on here, which is going to give you a very, very useful step. And it has these relief cuts in it for style and also to ensure that any water, mud, snow that lands on these is going to have a place to go. As for the installation, these are going to be a 1 out of 3 wrench install. Again, probably about 2 hours, maybe a little bit less to get them bolted up. All you'll have to do is remove whatever existing step or rocker armor you might currently have on your Jeep. Go ahead and remove those body bushing bolts from all 3 of the body mounts on one side of the Jeep. Hold this up into position and replace those factory bolts, torquing them down. Now you can use a set of tall jack stands to help you hold these into place, or if you have an extra set of hands around, a friend to help you, it'll make it that much easier because these things are pretty heavy. Once you get them torqued down, that's all there is to it. Again, very easy to install. These rock rails come in at right around $380, and that is going to be a pretty good price in my opinion. Now, they're certainly going to be higher than the bargain basement rock sliders that you can get, but these are also going to give you a lot more for your money. They're going to be stronger. They have the plate up top and on the front to give you a more finished look. They're angled, so there's a little bit more R&D that went into the design of these, giving you a nice slick look. You have this non-slip surface, so you are getting more for your money. And these certainly aren't the most expensive rock rails out there. You can go up. Some of those will offer more protection, but if this offers the protection that you're looking for, the function as far as a step, and the look that you're going for, again, I think they're very affordably priced and a really great option. So if you're looking for a triple tube rock rail that has a little bit of a different look and function than some of the other ones out there, I think this one from Snyper is a great choice, and you can find it right here at extremeterrain.com.